First, on the pledge. Pledging the country. I my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Riches for the office. I see my parents. And respect and treat everyone courtesy to my country and my people.